Hi, this is Oscar here. You might have seen my other videos, some reviews. It's not about that. I have, this is about crypto. I've got this Visa card that I want to introduce you to, which you can save a lot of money using it. I have learned about crypto about 5-6 years ago, about Bitcoin and all these other coins, Ethereum. But I tried to buy them, but I did not find any legitimate sites, so I didn't go ahead and risk a big amount of money to buy crypto. Anyway, in last few months, I have found a way and trusted site. So buy crypto, so it's becoming more and more popular. So I got involved with crypto and I have invested a small amount of money and it's growing since. So if you would like to know more about it, please follow my channel and always subscribe because I don't have enough subscriber. I need some subscriber to get me going. And please, I'm gonna give a link below. You can go on this link and just click, and if you want to join the crypto.com, you get $25 worth of CRO token or crypto.com native token, which was 10 cents around 6 months ago. It went up to $1.40. So if I bought when it was 30 cents, so it's 70 cents now, and I bought thousands and thousands of them. And so see how much your money is going up so quickly. Anyway, this is not a financial advice. This is up to you completely. But I suggest if you are interested about crypto, and I got this card which I'm gonna open today, and please subscribe to the channel, and there will be link below, so you can always click on this link and sign up and get $25 worth of CRO token, which can be worth $1,000 one day. So anyway, you don't need to put any money from your pocket. You have to if you want to take out that the promotion they will give you. If you don't want to take it out, you don't have to put any money. So anyway, so I'm gonna introduce you today. I seriously regret not to buying some Bitcoin 5-6 years ago when I was learn about it, when I knew what is blockchain was and what is crypto was and what is other token were, but I just could not find a way to buy them. I could not trust any exchanges in Australia at those time. Anyways, and now I'm gonna open up my card and you can have a look at the card, and I'm gonna have another video to using this card in Australia, all the stores and stuff, see how if the card is working or not. So I thought it's gonna come from Singapore or Malta or maybe Hong Kong, because the crypto.coms exchanges and the offices, they're all located in those countries, or Cayman Island or something like that. Anyway, it came from Melbourne. I'm very, very surprised. It came from Melbourne. So I'm gonna open this card up to show you. So that's how it looks like. The package I already opened, so just the video purpose I'm showing you again. So that's how it looks, the package. So that's how the card looks like. I don't know if you can see it properly. And so in order to get this card, I put $5,000 as a stake for 6 months, and I get 10% reward on that, and I get 3% back everything I buy. So I have not started buying yet. I'm gonna have to activate it in the app, and then I'm gonna start using it and make another video to see update you guys if you are interested to see how it's going with my new card. So guys, please subscribe to my channel. I don't have enough subscribers. I need at least 1,000 subscribers to get me going, and I got only like about 300 subscribers. So if you are interested more about crypto, or if you want to join, if you have any question, you can always ask me. There is a link that I'm going to leave, and you can click on it and join the crypto.com. That will give you $25, and if you ever order one of these cards, then I will get $25 as well. So it's more like I help you, you help me. This is not a financial advice or anything like that. So I would urge you to please subscribe to my channel. And if you want to know more about crypto, what's going on in Australia, I know there is a lot of videos. They are all in US or overseas or Europe or something like that. But for Australia, if this card is working, or how much benefit I'm gonna get from this, if you maybe not, you are, a lot of people is not gonna be interested now, but 6 years down the track or 5 years down the track, there's gonna be everybody will be doing crypto. It's just like a share market. It's just going to be like the internet. It's just going to be everywhere. So I suggest subscribe this channel, and I probably will do some update time to time, so you might can get some info for free, even though I'm not financial advisor. That can probably help you and give you some guidelines to for the future, how I'm approaching with my cryptos. So please guys, subscribe, and there is a link down below for you if you ever interested to join and take this 25 US dollar worth CRO, and you don't need to put any money from your pocket. And if you are ever interested to take that $25 out, that $25, you would have get like a lot of CRO 6 months down back. It was only 10 cents, this CRO token. Now it went up to $1.40. Now it's 80 cents. So if you go and sign up and get this 25 US dollar worth CRO, you're gonna get about 30 something at the moment, 30 or 40, something like that. But it can be worth 10 times what it is now. So you don't need to put any money. You go and sign up using my link and keep that in your app. You don't need to do nothing. 5 months later, you decide, okay, my money is worth $150 now. I got 25 for free. Now it's worth 150. Okay, I'm gonna put $50 and do some trading or blah 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 in order to take this money out. It can be 100 times in 5 years time. We don't know. It was 10 cents 6 months ago. It's worth, it went up to $1.40. So how much money? If you put 1,000 CRO 6 months ago, that would have cost you like $100. That would have worth how much is now? Thousands and thousands. So anyway, please click on this link, subscribe to my channel, and I will try to update time to time. I know there is not many channels in Australia, but I would like to share my knowledge with somebody who wants help or something like that. Thank you for watching.